Deliver Choo Choo to the vet. We're off to the vet for Choo Choo's check-up. Train. Awak kayo ha. Boy, yan eh, Choo Choo, good boy.
Kailangan mo din magligo, Choo Choo.
Choo, we're here.
Bro, you're
Good Choo Choo. Pag hinahawakan siya, parang siyang kala mo may nararamdaman siya sa katawan.
12.2.
Wow.
ilang kilo?
12.2.
Good boy. Gagamutin siya eh. Oh, good boy. Huy.